traced ethics into circuits, but forgot the life I bled. There's a line I